What's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum's top of episode 5 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw, the Irish kill 2 guys. 2 of our guys. And we've got a whole situation. Jackson's continuing to make fucking decisions left and right. We're about to take it to the table because he feels that's what's best. Chips is not a fan. I am concerned. But more important than all that, Targ is dead. Go ahead, Clay. Go ahead, Otto. Let's get to it. What are you up to? What the fuck is Tara up to? I hope it works. That's all I'll say.
It's no sleep, boss. Yeah.
That was a weird shot. So it's quite a bit of a drag still.
Mm-hmm.
I'm happy you got some sleep.
Otto loved you. You wouldn't be here if he didn't.
He saved my life inside.
Remember that. Or coffee.
Hello, Juggy.
Taking a shit. Why don't you go and wipe his ass? I get his friend's attention.
I love how we're starting this episode. What the fuck? Nice move, sir. That's pretty clean. Jesus, Chess. That was close.
Any ideas coming to you?
Fucking shit. Jackson's not playing games.
Write down the address. I hope you're not a lefty.
Go ahead. Go ahead, Jax. I'm here for Savage Jax.
Need anything, sweetheart?
No, I'm good.
These
Thank
two
you.
fucking phonies. It makes me sick. I'm so concerned. Mostly for Tara. I'm never concerned about Gemma, unfortunately. She'll be fine. Oh, fucking always.
No, if they wanted to kill someone close, it would have been family.
That's comforting.
Look, I know it's messy right now, but I promise
Right now.
I am gonna make this work.
Been saying it for 4 seasons, Jax. Is Roosevelt that much better at tailing than fucking the other guys were? Because Nero picked up on the other guys quick. As did Jax. Roosevelt's chilling.
That was mandatory retirement, wasn't it, Charlie? Either that or prosecution.
Tomato, tomato.
God damn.
Why are you watching the house?
Well, I'm not at liberty to discuss the case. You know, I've seen all I need.
That was great. That was fucking awesome. 2 old messes who know the game. I'm here for it.
Ow. Oh.
Hey, you shouldn't be exerting yourself.
I get a little carried away with this one.
Sit down.
Oh, no, I'm okay.
Sit.
And I'd say I'm gonna need to know all the facts. Copy me. It's an offer. Think it over.
Wayne means well, and I believe him when he says to help her, but he has a habit of fucking spilling beans left and right. First season, spilled it to fucking Captain America. About Gemma. So season 2. You know what I'm talking about.
Let him come to us.
I'm on it, don't worry about it.
Fuck. Fuck! Shit. Wrong call.
Jack's still alive!
Oh shit! Josh. He's hauling ass!
Jesus, another fine Irishman brought down by the bottle.
Get shoes. The man got away though. That'll come back into play.
We need bodies.
All right, I'm gonna reach out to Bobby, man. Tell him we need Jerry's crew.
No.
See if San Bernardino is still in town. If not, get Rogue River.
Yeah. Okay.
I don't like that. It was very sassy. Very sassy. Now, please try to kill him. Or give him up, rather.
It gets real good around page 47.
Okay. Thanks.
Irish voice. What is this? Accent, rather.
We don't like those kind of associations.
Come on, Rourke, let's be honest. We know it's not the drugs you have a problem with. You guys have a thing about partners of a different shade. He'll be good for the cause.
Yeah, there you go.
I'll need to talk to the others. I'll call you on this phone when we've made a decision.
Shit. Can you get that now?
Okay.
Too much time for something to go wrong. You know, the fucking sun, something's gonna go wrong.
We lost 4 distributors in 6 cities in the last year.
That Galen?
We cannot afford to lose Northern California.
We won't. Teller's just like his own man.
Can Clay get the job done in sight?
He won't be in for long. I've already set up other protection and transport here.
Wow.
He gets what he wants. Out of guns. And ties severed.
He's got a great evil face. Not quite, Jimmy O, but pretty fucking evil.
You just keep doing what you're doing.
Don't cry. Watch your neck. Fuck. When are you gonna fall for the okie doke? She really gonna fall for this okie doke?
And you have to do it with your spouse. Clay needs to tell us something.
Yeah? And who's gonna tell her?
Sounds like a job for a loving son to me. Yeah.
Goddamn right.
You wanna follow me, Chef? I'll make it easy. I'll be at Diosa most of the afternoon, then probably head over to TM. Maybe make a stop along the way, buy a pack of gum, kill a hooker or two. You know, just another day.
Leave Roosevelt alone. He's doing his best. He's going where the facts lead him.
Torik's murder hurts our case.
Really?
How do you use those things?
Shit. Hey, hey! She blew right past me.
I need to talk to you. Alone.
I got it.
So what kind of backup are you if motherfuckers can blow right past you? Come on, man.
I can't do this without you. Please. I don't care what you have to tell him. Okay. We can do that.
She's ruining the plans! Fuck! Is she gonna get caught by Jax or one of the club or something? Fuck! Stink!
What then?
I go underground, I put together a crew. I go to Northern Ireland and I run the whole thing from Belfast.
Jesus. She's better in prison. Or shank.
Ask Jax what he wants me to do.
Is Clay really on a redemption tour? Are you hoping for a handy?
No, we're not. Conjugal's a conjugal, Morrow.
And you got paid, let it go.
Money was for the chat.
What the fuck?
Okay, then.
Touch her, I cut your goddamn heart out.
Okay!
Fuck.
No.
Jesus!
Listen.
Yes, we need the close up so we know what they're doing.
Undress, I want to see those tits.
Oh my god, this is so fucking creepy. I'm not gonna watch this. Alright, get us out of here. Jesus, we got it.
If this DA's case heats up, we'll pull out of Stockton.
Look, I need these guys, Charlie.
Yeah, I can see that.
You jealous?
So what did Clay say?
You out of your mind? Offering Keynes Black as a partner?
you want to tell me what Clay said? I floated it to the Irish as an option.
Behind my back. I could have told you how deep this hatred runs.
It might not be anyone's club for much longer.
Mind if I stay for this one?
We're together! Come on, Jax.
I'll make sure I've got a full table.
Aye. Until then.
Maybe their greed's trumping their racism.
What? Jax can be pretty dumb when he wants to be. Jesus.
I gotta tell you something.
Really? I approve.
Okay.
I approve! Didn't expect this at all. Gemma keeps everything to herself. Until she snaps. Wow. I approve. I approve. He might get upset. He seems like the type he'll understand.
Promise you won't take it to Jax. Not now.
Shit.
What time is it?
2 minutes to 8.
All right, everyone to the table. Let's take this call.
Table gonna fucking blow up.
You know where this pen came from?
There's a Shamrock pen. Delivery guy left it a few hours ago.
What delivery?
Beer. Gemma must have ordered it.
Oh, shit! Oh, the kid! Chips is such a soldier! Holy shit. So the table was gonna blow up. They blew the whole goddamn place up. What the fucking animals. Alright, that was episode 5 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, I am hoping. I am desperately hoping. I am preposterously hoping. Hopeful, rather. Hopeful is not the right word. Hoping. That, two things happen. One of which I'm 25% on, the other which I'm close to 0. The first being, I hope the situation with the Irish, Chibs' speech, Jax's flub, has caused Jax to strongly reevaluate the way he operates, the way he does business. You have resources in these men, experience, connections. Rely on them. Besides the fact that it's the right thing, it wasn't supposed to be based on, so that no niggers. But, use them. Chips is right there. It could have saved you from the situation. Could have saved you from this situation, at least part of it. So that's one. Number 2, the fucking clubhouse being blown up. Your kid almost getting blown up. Both of them, actually. If you didn't fucking realize what time it was. It's gotta make you rethink. Maybe my kid shouldn't be near me. Maybe this is a bad life. Maybe Tar should get the fuck out. Along with the kids. Like I said, the first one, 25% on. I think he will at least, and has at least, considered that may be the case. Props to Chips for fucking losing his shit with Jax, by the way. Second one, I don't see it. I don't see it even a little bit. I can't see Jax come to that conclusion. We're gonna get out. We're gonna be safe. Like, come on, man. What are you talking about here? It's over. That's never happening. Ironically, before everything blew up, things were going to shit anyway. With Eli there to arrest Nero, I would imagine for murder. I don't know how that situation gets resolved. Do you flip Nero? Do you flip to save your own ass? You've been set up. It's not your fault, but do you flip to save your own ass? I can't see it. But I don't know. This is a whole issue. I'm concerned. I am greatly concerned. We've got problems of the yin yang. We've got the DA, Nero in prison. We've got the Irish, who fucking savages. And there's one more. Doesn't come to me right now, but we know it's an issue. Tig's not exactly pleased with Jax either. To be fair, he shouldn't be. Though Tig, if he had a little bit of self-reflection, would know that this was probably your fault for snapping, and the first time when you killed Pope's daughter, and then snapping, and then killing the fucking Persian, and then not saying anything about it. Lying about it. What do you want from me? RoboCop is the other problem. He seems very, it's not a Napoleon complex, but he's over the top authoritative, over the top feels like something to prove. He probably doesn't like Jax, who's fucking 30 years younger, and fucking lead whore, I forgot her name, from Deadwood, wants him, and, it's a whole issue. Let it go, sir. Let it go. I will say this. I know Tara wants to do the right thing here, and I know she needs Wendy for at least part of this preposterous plan to work. But letting Wendy see this kid feels like a bad idea. Wendy can't be trusted. That's number one. Number two, she's overly emotional. Not because she's a woman. Don't try to pin that on me. She's in this episode. She's freaking the fuck out. I can't do this. When fucking a season ago, was it even a season? Yeah, a season ago, you were giving Tara a speech about how we need to get the fuck out and the kids need to be safe and this, that, and third and get them away from trauma and yada, yada, yada. Now the exact fucking opposite reaction. I can't do this because it's lies. Enough out of you. Enough out of you. Poor Gemma. Poor Gemma. Poor Clay. Does Clay really turn the leaf here? All it took was getting fucking Eli's wife killed and having to kill a whole bunch of nomads and everybody finding out and getting arrested. That's all it took? And having Juice and Gemma turn on you and have Jax want to murder you. That's all it took? It's for you to change your tune, huh? To turn a leaf. Well, we should all keep that in mind. If we ever have somebody we need to get to turn from their ways. Fucking idiot. Hard to feel bad for Gemma, but I do. But it's weird because it's something she's done before, which lets you know that consent is like a real thing. That guy needs to go. The one who didn't even want to participate. He was like, either I watch while you do, or I watch while he does. That guy needs to go. They both need to go, but him in particular, because he walks with too much confidence for somebody with that sexual proclivity. Nothing wrong with A. If you're into that, be into it. But with consenting parties. Post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Macrum. It's time for episode 6 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Last we saw... Kabam! Sorry. Headphone users are so pissed off. I get it, my bad. What do you want from me? Yeah, last we saw, shit blew up. The Irish let their answer be known. They tried to take out their whole outfit. Luckily, everybody made it out. And now we have a full-blown war on our hands. All right, let's get to it.
We're gonna fix this, brother. You hear me?
Oui. Yes.
I'm sorry that this happened.
We're gonna make sure none of this shit ever happens again.
I can tell you guys really believe that. I'm just not sure I do.
Good luck with my mom.
I just want to go in. Come on, Gemma. Hey! Stop it! Stop it now! Hey! Hey! Okay, all right!
What the fuck?
How's it going?
I want to be with you, Nero. I do. But I need to be there for my family. Especially now.
And what would you like me to do? Stay?
I want to figure a way to do both.
Blown up?
Are we understood?
Yeah. Understood.
No war.
Glad to hear that, Jackson.
I'll cut Connor and your other guys loose.
They're still alive.
Yeah. I told you. I didn't want a war.
I'd move forward with Clay.
That was really good acting on his part. One of the kings.
Rogue River, Indian Hills, Eureka, Moa, Tacoma. All officers are confirmed.
All right. Let's go.
No war! I'm surprised by this. It's still early. We got several episodes to go. Aww.
Let me know if there's anything else I can do.
Just keep an eye on Tara. Make sure she's not alone. Of course.
Oh, yeah. You didn't need to say anything about that.
I need to make some calls.
Okay. Oh, do you want to?
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hey, her too. Jesus.
I told him his friend Wendy was coming back to play with him. He was very excited.
Yeah? Okay. Thanks.
Jim, gonna drop in. What'd I say? Well, the gun's in the truck, right?
Just sit here and wait for inbound and backup to arrive. This right here, that's where you can pick up your bikes.
Yeah, if there's anything left.
Wow.
We know you wouldn't desert a brother, would you?
Oh, shit, Jews!
Oh, a scam when we see one.
That's right, we do. I've seen Smokey and the Bandit 1,000 times. Love that movie.
You scumbags are done. You won't make it out of it.
Juice! Yes! Enough! Enough!
Oh, shit! What? Juice is out of his fucking mind. Who called him? Fucking, That fucking name. Called him from the shield? DA? He said you had to make a phone call. Maybe it's just fucking cunts. Possible.
What the hell is he doing?
This is out of his mind. What? Holy shit! I really hope they're okay. Not because I care about them. Should be in even deeper trouble. Alright, they're alive. Fuck them. Awesome. God damn, that was awesome.
Claim my property.
Good. I'll get a 20 on this chop shop.
Great. Get on it, Tiggy.
Hey! Remember that guy?
Just trying to live up to it, you know?
His club got absorbed, right? Oh.
He asked to come. Yeah.
Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
Jesus.
You can run from the pain, bail, or you can allow it to burn into your heart. To leave its mark.
It did feel like a shot, right?
A direction that keeps us out of jail. That keeps us whole. And that keeps us alive.
That was a good speech. I assume that's a good thing? good goddamn speech.
Really? Are you kidding me?
It's gonna look like the call of a desperate boss pressing for leverage. You might want to get in front of that.
Lieutenant.
Yes.
Damn. Linoleum underneath. These are definitely bullet holes.
Shit. Call CSU. Get him down here.
Nero, congratulations! Holy shit!
I'm guessing he'll be healed by the time your face is. No more cowboy shit.
Sure. Okay.
He's so different now. He actually reminds me of Shades. No, Luke Cage.
How'd it go, the baby?
I see why they hired him.
You have a plan for Jax, for the boys, for Wendy. You need a plan for Tara. Let's hear what she has to say.
Yeah, testify and fucking, whatever. Ugh, feels gross. I don't know. I don't know.
You've been recruiting for Sam Crow?
Yeah. We'll ride back with you. Club can vote on it when we get to Charming. Ain't no kind of power grab. I got no interest in a gavel or a new patch. It's because I love this club. And I love you.
Aww. How happy Jax is. It's a solid twist. I don't know if it's 6 episodes worth of build solid, but it's a solid twist.
Full immunity for the proof of the gun running. It's the only offer you'll get.
Fuck. I know she loves Jax. I'll take that deal. I'll take that deal, I'm not gonna lie to you. You ever seen her whole episode? He's a fucking nosy, Gemma.
Oh, I'm so sorry, darling. If you look at Nero, he's not back yet. At the very least.
How do you take this seriously with Walton Goggins in that fucking face?
I'm afraid I ran smack into a low-hanging branch from my gnarled family tree. I didn't quite know where to go, and before I knew it, I was here.
Walton Goggins is so fucking fantastic.
You're safe. You are safe here.
Aww. So fucking fantastic. Jesus. Gemma's hilarious. But at least she's fucking decent when her family's not involved. Otherwise, she's a monster.
Shaggy. Yeah. Find just his bike. Right.
It's okay with you, Mom?
Blow me, boy.
What are you supposed to do when you find stolen merchandise? Call the police.
What do? You also do drugs? Are you also an animal of the highest order? Ready to do whatever it takes? Oh, say that wig is atrocious. Lose that.
Time to go hood, sister.
Jesus. I say, you still got the dreads. Those are clean.
Tell your lawyer I'll be moving up the trial date 3 weeks, and I'll be prosecuting the case myself. See you in court, Doctor.
Yep. Shit. All right, called him.
You gotta be kidding me.
Do you think I'm kidding?
Sorry for my behavior today.
This is awesome.
Sorry for my behavior.
I need These fucking nods of acknowledgement are hilarious. This is a nice palate cleanser after the last episode. Good lord. Last couple episodes. thumbs up when something awful happens. God damn it. Alright, that was episode 6 of season 6 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? First things first, I must say, I needed that episode. Episode 5 was a lot. And this was a palate cleanser. It was fun. It was mostly light. There's a long Jack speech in there. That wasn't the most interesting or charismatic. But it kind of showed Jack's philosophy in a long form instead of short bursts when he's talking to Tara. And it shows that he can win over a group of people when need be. And he did. The whole crew, at least in that area, is behind him. Good on you, sir. Now, I'll say this. As nice as it was that Jax said he didn't want war, that was great. And as nice as the speech was, get away from guns, that was great too. As great as the speech was to not only the gang, but to Eli. Also great. There is not even a little part of me that thinks Jax is going to let this go all the way. That's not really how he operates. I made that mistake once, and I never really made it again. Season 3? Yes, the last Stall season. Where he kills Alvarez. What's the guy's name? You know who I'm talking about. He comes, the one that fucking threatened Tara and held her hostage along with Hillary. Stabbed him, and fucking killed him. It was just like, what the fuck? I thought we were. You promised him to let him go, and you didn't. Okay. Never again. Clay, Pope. I always assume that's what Jax's next move is to get revenge. And I assume that's the case here. I only hope that he is filled in Chibs at the very least and everybody else on the plan. Though I doubt that. So there's that. And Galen's definitely gotta get it. Like, if anybody is going to get it, Galen's gonna get it. But I expect more than that will happen. Especially with Clay as his inside man now. I love Tara. You know this. I've said this before. While she's no longer my favorite character, that's Jax. She is the character I root for the most. If I could say, you could say, if I could wave my hand and have one character's plan to succeed, it would be Tara. Whoop, done. She's in a rough spot. I was just thinking fucking the DA, I forgot her fucking name. Claudette from The Wire. From The Shield, rather. Should take that fucking wig off. It looks fucking ridiculous. And she did it. This episode, and she's had time to go hood, sister. Shut up. That line's terrible. But, that was awesome. And Tara's now in a super rough spot. I don't ask for much. I just need Tara to make it. That's it. I just need Tara to make it. I don't care for anything else. Happy Bobby's back. I'm happy he's not going nomad. But more importantly, I'm happy that storyline is over. Because while it never overstayed its welcome, like it didn't go on too long. All the fucking segments were like a minute, 2 minutes at a time. I still had no interest in them. Like, I just don't care what he's doing with these 4 other guys. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? But he's back, so that's a win. And we have Angry Juice, which is scary, quite frankly. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.